Small boy, big God. Good morning, guys. Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Claude Joseph, and in case you are new here and you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, share, and leave a sweet comment. With me here, I'm with my diary or a small office book, and the one that I usually write stuff that needed to be done, and the final accountability on this book. But you have to know why we are doing this. Make sure subscribe, like, share, and leave us a comment, and let me know in the comment section what do you think about this video. The reason why I'm shooting this video, for everyone to see, and for every donor and every subscriber who has really put a hand towards this. May Almighty God bless you. And I have also to come clean and clear about what we are doing. We have been some few days back, we have been seeing us working at the orphanage. That is Noah's Boat House of Refuge on YouTube channel, and also they go by the name Noah's Boat Children's Home. So you have been seeing me with Pastor Esther moving around and other staff caring for the kids. She's a mom of 189 kids, more than 100 actually, guys. So this day today, we have been seeing us doing what we call like installing, we have been mobilizing of the installation of the solar system. But we started with what we call like the security lights, because kids have been really feeling very bad even to go outside. And also there have been so many cases in the orphanage about maybe kids being, how can I say, molested or being raped by the outsiders, and that's a very big challenge actually to us, and also as what we call like as we people who are around. So with the YouTube family, some recommended we have to put first the solar, what we call like lights, and in which that's what we have been doing. And I thank God that we really managed to buy what we call like the posts. Those are called the metallic posts, in which I'll be sharing with you, showing you what is the progress, and also everything, the budget, and how we went through. And right now as we speak, we have what you call like the solar lights. With the solar lights and the lights themselves, they have arrived. I went to pick them yesterday. It was raining and I couldn't do a video because it was raining, and sometimes it was really crazy for the weather was not allowing. But I thank God at night I did what we call like I arrived with them, and I have the full package. And if you're feeling like donating, guys, please help. $1, $2, $3, $10, even $100. I really appreciate. You can do it directly to Mama Esther, or you can do to anyone you feel like you trust who can deliver it. So right now I'll be sharing with you. We have a package here right now. You see it's packaged. We'll be unboxing it. I want to take it outside, and I'll be sharing with you all the receipts. And anybody who feels like donating, please donate. You can send any of your trustee, and everything will be on book. Every transaction will be announced. And for those who are anonymous, we really also have to protect your names, protect your everything. But you'll hear what we call like your donation, or the donation that you've donated. You'll be seeing it accountably. So let me take this package outside, and I want to share with you what we are doing. All right? Okay. Yes. Oh, let me see how I'm going to carry this. Oh my God, they're very heavy. At least let's move. Somebody will close the door for me. over here. Okay, close the door please, kindly, anyone who is rare. Yeah, so guys, this morning, as you see, there's some poles around here. That's my young brother Mami. There's some poles right here lying down, and with me I have to unbox this first, share with you, show you the receipts, and I tell you from whom did this package came from, and who donated, how much did they donate, and the other side. Oh, I see also a visitor. Yeah. Oh no. So we have the panels here. I was talking to the visitor, and the visitor has gone. He has really surprised. He has delivered what was supposed to be delivered, and thank you so much. I received what you call like 50,150, and the money is here. The money is here, and this is the receipt. So the receipt tells you 50,156, and I've received 50,150. Yeah, that's the transaction. This is what he was given from the bank, and here we have the bank receipt. I don't know if my camera is clear because of the sky. The climate is not okay right now. The weather, not the climate, but the weather, it's not okay today. So also my books. Let me. Sorry guys, I wanna have this. Alright. Just like this. I just need a place to sit, and because we are going to have welcome all. We are going to have what we call like accountability of everything. Please come closer a little bit. Yeah, so just like that. Yeah, and also show us this. So this one are the solar lights. First, we were mobilizing. There's a lot to be done actually at the orphanage, a lot to be done, and we are going step by step because we cannot do it in a lump sum at once. We don't have that money to do it at first, like in a lump sum. With me, whatever I'm being sent slowly, small, I put it together. Whatever Mama Esther or Pastor Esther is being sent small, we put them together, and we say this have to be done. So we started this campaign of installation of the solar system in the orphanage because it's so darkness, and we have to start with the security lights. So this one, it's like project number 1. It's almost done. It's 90, let's say it's 92 or 93% done. Let me put the camera like this. 91 or 90, it's 98. Let's say for now it's 98% done because we haven't yet taken this one there. So these are the security solar panels and lights, in which I'm going to share with you how we got the money and what we have done with the money, and which is the balance, or how much has remained, you know. So at first we had a bigger picture of installing the bigger solar system, and right now we started with this, and then we go step 2, step 3, step 4, until we see the orphanage looks like where you are staying. The orphanage looks like where I am staying over here. Like the kids feel home where they belong, you know. Not that sometimes you go there, you feel like this kid, I feel like adopting the kid. I feel like, no, I want them to feel home. Like even those who are in the streets, they feel like, hey, I can run to this orphanage and be saved. We need that heart, you know. So 1st October I received 53,500. That was the money that was donated to Mama Esther or Pastor Esther, and then she forwarded it to me because we were doing the solar system. We needed 85,000 Kenyan shillings, so we received 53,500. That we bought the metallic round pipe for the will act as posts. We bought the black pipe. We bought other things like paint. We bought the paint was 1 liter, which cost 350, in which in dollars, please somebody to convert for that. We bought welding rods 2 kgs, that was 600. We bought cutting disc and then we bought the grinding disc and transport, and that was the receipt was here. Where's the other receipt for I don't want to get for it to get lost. There's another receipt for the solars. So this one was the total of that we got 49,200, and we remained with 4,300 for the metal, which we called because we are waiting for the solar panels. They are in different shapes and different sizes, so we remained with 4,300, in which if you add 4,300 in 49,200, you get a total of 53,500. So I had with that money 4,300 until so that was done only for the poles. That 53,000 was only done for the poles without the solar panels. So on this date, let me share with you which date was it. That's why I have these books. So security light donations are on date when is the date? This second, on date 3rd October, that's my birthday month, 2025, there was some donation, and this donation, I'll break it down how this donation was donated. The Omaya Girls Sons donated 100 euros. That's 100 euros in Kenya shillings. I'll give you the sum. And also Omaya Girls Friend, the Omaya Girls friend by the name Jane donated 40 euros. Thank you so much, Jane, and thank you so much, the Omaya Girls. And also the top up from the Omaya was 10 euro, which the total formation from the Omaya family was 110 euros. Thank you so much. The Omaya Girls family donated 110 euros, and 40 euros from a friend whom she mobilized, and then she gave 40 euros by the name Jane. Almighty God bless you. So that one in Kenyan shillings, by that time when she sent it to me, the change, let me share with you from the phone, and also the screenshot in which okay, the change was let me share with you. This was the change. This was from this side of the change. So 150 euros equals to 22,500 Kenyan shillings. So I received the total sum 22,500 from the Omaya family and friends. 22,500. So in top of that, I received 9,800 from Pastor Esther. So if we add 53,500, we add 22,500, we add 9,800, we get a sum of 85,800. So yesterday when I received that money from the Omaya Girls, that was 22,500 plus the 9,800. Let us go together. This is the security solar installation. That is 22,500 plus 9,800. We got 32,300. 32,300, and the lights that we needed were for 32,500. So we had a deficit of 200, in which when I went to I'll have to bring the receipts. Let me bring the receipts for the candy cut. Let me bring the receipts for the solars. So I'm here with the receipts. So far, the only receipts that I'm operating with, there are only 2 receipts. So these receipts, we bought this from Bensa. So we bought 200 watts. Let me share with you first what we were supposed to buy and what we bought. You know, what it was supposed to be bought and what we bought. So I don't know if my English is going to have an English, but let me share with you. what was supposed to be bought and what we bought. So we were supposed to buy 50 watts solar watts, 50 watts solar lights, in which also we were supposed to buy 100 watts solar or light. That's a 2 to every 200 watts. 200 watts we were supposed to buy 2. We were supposed to buy 100 watts 2, and that is 4, and we were supposed to buy 50 watts 4. That's a total of 8 lights. But when I arrived to the electronic, they advised me 50 watts, it's like a dim light. Like, yes, it can work, but it's like a dim, it only light maybe this place. So that we bought what we call like 200 watts solar lights that costed 11,000. We also bought 300 watts. Remember, on this side we had the biggest watts was 200. So we when arriving there, we bought 300 watts solar lights that was 18,000, and we bought 100 solar floodlight that costed 3,500. A total of 32,500. A total of 32,500. Here's the receipts. So we had a discount of 500. So that is 32,500. So the money that was on top, 300, I use it for transport. So let us write here transport 200 or 300. That was it for gas and delivering them. So we received the gift here today. So the all money we spent karas. So it ended well where we have the solar security lights. So this one have to be kept very well. So that was just a synopsis of how we are starting for the first project, and the first project is ending. So it will be ending. I'm waiting for the fabricator to come and we finish this work of this. So hopefully it's going to, so let us unbox this. I'm poor in unboxing, but let's wait. So it's a very big, please the cameraman, please put good, like I want this whole box to be seen so that people can also see what we got, right? So we have this it's a solar watt. We have 3 of them. We have these ones, we have these ones. So let's put them here. There are 3 of them. Wow, they are big enough. This one, oh, hey, there are some small insects that they want to eat me here. Huh? The small insects want to eat me. So I should put this here. Hey, here is another one here. I don't know who. Hey, these small insects will eat me completely. So I better put this one this side. So this one goes with it's a solar. So we cannot try to make. That's why I told you we cannot fabricate something if the solar panels haven't arrived, because you can see this solar panel, it's smaller compared to this one. This is 100 watts. So yeah, there's some stuff. So this is a 100 solar watt that we drive 100 watts, because everything comes with its own thing. So you see, like this will be with its solar. So this solar will be connected when the fabricator will come. We will show you also on this video how it's done. So this one is just connected like this. Come closer. This one you connect like this. Let me share with you how this is being. So just like that, and it's long enough. You can put it anywhere. So you see it's lighting. So when it will charge, this one will charge for every single day. It will be charging, and when it charges, it will automatically light. Or you can use these are the remotes. let me show you. There's a remote here with one which has batteries. There's some batteries, so you can put it on. So like this, you can see, you can put it on and it's lighting. So you can add, it's only that it's not yet fully charged, but when there's light, you saw this 100 one, it's going with its own solar. Let's put it off. So this one will be for this one, and this one, it's a 300 watt solar. So we bought 6 lights, in which the other one we were told it should be lighting from the building. So from here we have this one, and also it shows you the manual how to install it, how to install this, and how to everything. It shows you the manual. This is the manual on how to operate this, but what is supposed to be done, it's for this. So this one also comes with bigger solar. So the bigger the light, the bigger the solar. So the panel is here. Yeah, because this is the same way that you cannot take an engine from a lorry, you put it into a pro box. So that's why you see this is bigger compared to this. So these are 300 watt. So you can put it here and we connect. But even before connecting, this one has an inbuilt. It has an inbuilt. Oh, these animals are eating me. It has an inbuilt battery. So by this time, light on, and you can add to the fullest. You know, at night is where you'll see how they light well. So you can also connect it with the solar, just like this, and then you're done, just like that. Press this, you connect, and then you connect, and then you close. And then when you close that like that, you see that it starts charging. Let's why is it not lighting? It's poorly connected. I'm not an electrician, but we are trying. Let's check on. Oh, there's a small cabrada inside, which needs to be put like this. You have to balance it slowly by slowly. That's why I'm very careful. I don't want to destroy anything. So you see, when you connect it, it shows you down here. Can you please show them? You see there's some things blue, everything. Yeah. So that shows you it's charging. So when it would be up, it should be lighting dust like this, like dawn lighters. So this one will be fabricated well, and they will be just like this. And on, where's the remote? And be on. You can add the light to the fullest. You can reduce it. You see, you can reduce it up to the dim. You reduce it up to the dim. You see, it's blinking, but when you add, it becomes more stable. You know? Yeah. So go off. Yeah. So that's how the solars are. We have this one. So we're waiting for the fabricator, and we will be really sharing with you everything that is going on. So with me, I really appreciate you guys. So let us wait for the fabricator to come and do this. Also, I'll show with you how we are doing this. So I'm praying this one should be installed today. So first phase of security lights. This is apart from the bigger picture of the bigger solar system. These ones were for the security lights only. Now we are also mobilizing. We are also open to anyone who feel like he can donate or she can donate anything. You're highly welcome. You can donate it to anybody you trust. It will be delivered to maybe me or to Mama or Pastor Esther, so that you just say this is towards the solar panels and the solar inverter and everything, because we'll be going to the company and we come for the what we call like installation. But before that, I have to show you with this. At least they can be going to, maybe they can even play football at night when they want. You know, sometimes, you know, kids, boys will always be boys. They'll be seeing this, they have that confidence to go outside rather than urinating in the house and making the house dirty. My vision is to see that orphanage standing strong. It looks like a home, like your home, or a home like my home, you know. So let's wait for the fabricator, and they are here. Maybe people will be saying, you showed us only this. There are a lot. There's here, we have this, we have this, we have this. So we have 300 watts. One, it's 300 watts. Show them. Show the 300 watts. So it's one 300 watts, second 300 watts. So let's put them here again. 1, 2. So this one is the third one. We have to return it in here. No, the fabricator is coming, so we always have to put again. So this is number 3, 300 watts. This one will be like a day. So those are 3. We bought 200 watts. So this is 1, 200 watts, 200 watts. So that's a total of 5. And we have this one here. It's also charging.
How many watts is that?
This is 100 watts.
Okay.
So these are 100 watts. Oh, it's lighting. So
they're so bright. These lights, they're very bright.
Very bright. So I have to put it off. And it's a very good company. This one, whether rain, when the sunshine,
it tries.
They are trying. So
and they have batteries, inbuilt batteries.
Yeah, inbuilt batteries.
Oh, so like it can last.
And they can sustain it for 3 hours, 5 hours, 8 hours, 10 hours. It depends with how you
use them.
Yeah, you can set them.
Okay.
Like this. So we have 6 of them, bigger ones, and the solar, and that costed us how much money? 32,500. So the total amount of installation, including labor and everything, was 85,000. Let me read it here because I don't want to speak. I want to show the facts and the receipts. 85,800. You know? Yeah. Chapter closed. Thank you guys, and be blessed. So we'll be showing the installation. All right.